Today we're diving into a crucial topic for Amazon sellers: fulfillment by merchant versus fulfillment by Amazon. If you're selling on Amazon, understanding the differences between these two fulfillment methods can help you streamline your process and boost your business. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about FBM, or Fulfillment by Merchant. As the name suggests, with FBM, the responsibility for storing, packing, and shipping your products falls entirely on you, the seller. You manage every step of the process, giving you direct control over how your orders are fulfilled. Here are the key features of FBM. Control over inventory. With FBM, you control your inventory, stock levels, packaging, and shipping methods. This hands-on approach allows for customization and direct management. Flexibility in pricing and offers. You have more freedom to set price, run promotions, and offer personalized shipping options. Lower fulfillment costs. Since you handle your own fulfillment, you might save on costs, especially for items with lower sales volumes or irregular demand. Now let's switch gears to FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. With FBA, you send your products to Amazon's warehouses and they take care of the rest, from storage to packing, shipping, and customer service. Here are the key features of FBA. Prime Eligibility. Your products can be eligible for Amazon Prime, which can boost visibility and sales among Prime members who value fast shipping. Customer service support. Of course, Amazon handles customer inquiries, returns, and refunds, so you don't have to worry about managing these aspects yourself. Scalability. FBA makes it very easy to scale your business, as Amazon manages inventory, storage, and ensures that products are always ready to ship, even during peak times. So, what are the key differences between FBM and FBA? Let's break it down. Cost structure. FBM usually involves lower fulfillment costs since you handle every aspect yourself, but FBA has fees for storage, picking, packing, and shipping. But it offers the convenience of Amazon's infrastructure and Prime eligibility. Control and flexibility. FBM gives you way greater control over inventory and shipping, while FBA streamlines your operations and leverages Amazon's reliable fulfillment network. Prime eligibility. FBA automatically qualifies products for Prime shipping, potentially increasing sales. FBM sellers can also get Prime eligibility through Seller Fulfilled Prime, but they must meet strict shipping and service standards. So which one is right for you? Well, that depends on several factors. The number one thing to worry about is product nature. Consider how your products are best stored and handled. It's also important to keep in mind the sales volume. If you have high sales volume, FBA can be way more efficient. For lower volumes, FBM should be more cost-effective. You also need to keep in mind your operational capabilities. If you prefer a hands-off approach and want to leverage Amazon's Prime program, FBA is the way to go. Now, if you want to retain control, reduce costs, FBM is more suitable. That's a wrap on FBM versus FBA for us. Hopefully, this helps you make a more informed decision about which fulfillment method is best for your Amazon business. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below which one did you end up using. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.